guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a $1 slime review. So I've been to a few stores recently, and I've seen a couple of really cool $1 slimes, and I'm so excited to try these out, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so as always before we start, I'm going to take you down to my slime and squishy area where I can go ahead and pick out my supplies. But first I'm going to show you the guinea pigs. So for my birthday, my parents surprised me with another guinea pig. She is super sweet and her name is S'mores, and she's getting along really well with the other two guinea pigs, which are Snickers and Cinnamon. Now I'm going to show you a couple clips of them running around in floor time earlier this week. Moving on, now I'm going to quickly show you all of the slimes that I'm going to be reviewing. So the very first $1 slime that I'm going to be reviewing is made by Compound Kings, and it's called Oddly Satisfying Neon Slime, and I picked this one up at Walmart. I've had a few slimes from Compound Kings in the past, and their slimes seem to be pretty good, so I was really excited when I found this one. By the way, before I get any further in the video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have a cold, so in case you're wondering why I sound a little bit different, that is why. This slime had a very nice texture, it was super nice and stretchy, it had great clicking noises, it also had very nice bubble pops, and it was a lot of fun to play with. I will say this slime was a little bit sticky, but other than that, I really liked this slime and I would definitely recommend it. So the next $1 slime that I'm going to be reviewing is also made by Compound Kings, and it's called Oddly Satisfying Fruity Squishy Like Slime, and I picked this one up from Walmart. I thought this slime looked super cute because it comes with some mini fruit slices that you get to mix into a clear slime. I just thought this was a super cute idea and I was really excited for this one. Overall, I really liked the texture of the slime. It was super nice and stretchy, it had great bubble pops, it was super nice for clicking noises, and it was a lot of fun to play with. I love how this slime came with some mini fruit slices that you got to mix into the slime. I just thought that was a super fun idea, and I really enjoyed playing with this one. So the next $1 slime that I'm going to be reviewing is called Confetti Slime, and I picked this one up from the 99-cent store. I thought this one looked super fun because the slime comes in a super cute cupcake container, and it also includes some really cute rainbow foam beads. This one just looked like a lot of fun, and I was really excited to open this one. Overall, I thought this was a very cute slime. I just loved the container that the slime came in. I just thought it looked super cute. I loved all the different color foam beads, and they were just so much fun to mix in. Now, this slime definitely felt more like a putty than a slime because it was kind of hard to stretch, but other than that, I got a few poking noises out of the slime, and I got a few bubble pops as well. next $1 slime that I'm going to be reviewing is called Crystal Slime Surprise, and this one is also from the 99-cent store. I thought this slime looked super fun because it looks like it's a crystal clear glitter slime that comes with a super fun charm. I just thought this one was super fun and I was really excited for this one. Overall, I thought this was a very nice slime. I loved how nice and clear it was. I just loved all of the glitter, and I thought the unicorn charm went perfect with this slime. Now, just like the last one, this definitely felt more like a putty than a slime, but other than that, I really liked this one. It was super nice and stretchy, and it was a lot of fun to play with. So the next $1 slime that I'm going to be reviewing is called Spiral Rainbow Slime, and I picked this one up from Target. I just thought this slime looked super cool in the container. I just loved how the pink and orange slimes were layered on top of each other. I just thought this one looked super fun, and I was really excited for this one. This slime had a very fun and unique texture. It was super jiggly and watery, and it was a lot of fun to play with. Now this slime didn't have any clicking noises and it's not very stretchy, but other than that, I really liked this slime and it was just so much fun to play with. So the next $1 slime that I'm going to be reviewing is called Stretchy Foam, and I picked this one up from Target. I just love the packaging of this one. I just thought it looked super cute. I love the color of the slime as well, and I was just so excited to open this one. Overall, this slime had a very nice texture. It was super soft and fluffy, it was super nice and stretchy, it had great bubble pops, and it was a lot of fun to play with. Now the slime was dropping some of the foam beads, but other than that, I really liked this slime and I would definitely recommend it. So the last and final $1 slime that I'm going to be reviewing is called Glitter Putty, and I picked this one up from Target as well. When I saw this slime on the shelf, I thought it looked super pretty. I just loved all the glitters in the clear slime, and I was just really excited for this one. Overall, this was a very nice slime. I just loved the color, I loved all of the glitter, and it was just so nice and clear. This slime had a very nice texture, it was super nice and stretchy, it had great bubble pops, it also had really nice clicking noises, and it was just so much fun to play with. So overall, I definitely recommend this one. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below which slime was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And if you guys would like to check out my Instagram page, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!